Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. You're watching Mr. Tech. In this video I will show you how to change the ringtone in the GoChat application. Step 1. Open the GoChat application. First of all, unlock your phone and locate the GoChat application on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the app icon to launch it. Once the application loads completely, you will be taken to the main interface. Step 2. Open your profile section. Now look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon or profile section there. Tap on it to open your account settings and personal preferences menu. The profile section contains various options related to your account, including privacy settings, notification settings, account management, and customization features. Step 3. Access the notification settings. After opening your profile page, look through the available options until you find Notifications. Tap on Notifications to enter the Notification Settings menu. This section controls how GoChat alerts you about incoming messages, calls, mentions, and other activities. Inside this menu, you'll find multiple notification customization options designed to help you personalize your experience. Step 4. Scroll down through notification options. Once you're inside the notifications section, slowly scroll down. You may notice several settings such as message notifications, call notifications, notification previews, sound settings, vibration settings, notification priority settings, ringtone settings. Keep scrolling until you locate the ringtone option. Step 5. Open the ringtone menu. When you find the ringtone option, tap on it. A new page will appear showing all available ringtones that can be used within the GoChat application. Depending on your device and app version, you may see a list of built-in ring. Step 6. Preview available ringtones. Before selecting a ringtone, take your time to browse through the list. Most ringtones can be previewed by tapping on them. Listen carefully to each ringtone and choose one that is different from your other notification sounds. Testing multiple options can help you find the ringtone. Step 7. Select your preferred ringtone. Now tap on the ringtone you want to use. In this example, I have chosen this ringtone. After tapping it, the ringtone will be selected and highlighted. Step 8. Confirm the selection. Once your preferred ringtone is selected, verify that it shows as the currently active ringtone. Step 9. Return to the previous screen. After choosing your ringtone, simply tap the back button. You can continue tapping back until you return to the main screen of the application. The ringtone has now been successfully applied to your GoChat account. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content like this. And keep watching Mr. Tech for more advanced tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.